Yeah, so Steve, that was some great points. I appreciate that. I always enjoy talking to you, but we were talking about something earlier. You started talking about your favorite deal that you did last year, and I interrupted you.
Yeah.
Tell me more about that. That was last year, right?
Yeah, it was kind of early fall, late summer 2022. So we all like to be the number one primary referral partner with our client. But this is a great story, and it's a good point where it's okay to be the number two. I was the second person these folks had talked to. But anyways, it was a mom whom I knew and her daughter buying a 2-unit in Portland. And they had talked to, in reality, the mortgage company they talked to was very good. I didn't know the particular loan officer, but they were under contract on a 2-unit for the daughter to live in as a primary residence. Mom was helping because the daughter didn't have a lot of income. And for some reason, when I got the call from the mom, she wanted me to check, Steve, does this sound right? They had to put 25% down, and they were doing an FHA loan, and yeah.
It's already sounding
it just didn't make any sense.
Yeah.
But she was getting her the daughter was getting her master's degree. But anyways, the mom had good income and all that. So once I was able to get a copy of the purchase and sale and take a look at it, to make a long story short, we were able to turn what this client was under contract for with a 25% FHA loan, which has higher closing costs, mortgage insurance that never goes away, all of this stuff, to a 20% down. And we could have even done a 10% down conventional loan. So we got a lower rate, no mortgage insurance, and lower closing costs. And they were thrilled, and I I've been in it.
Charges would have been so much less that way.
Yeah, and you've been in the business a long time. I've been in the business. So knowledge counts, experience counts. But if you talking to real estate people or anyone, if you ever want a second opinion, I'd love to be that guy, because it's amazing that the same transaction could have gone different ways, and we were able to save. And she happened to be a friend of mine, a lot of money for her daughter and lower monthly costs.
Yeah, that's the great part about you've been doing it for so long that your referral partners know that they may be already approved with their bank or credit union that they've worked with for years. They still want them to talk to you so they can get that second opinion, because, for one, that's part of their duty to make sure that the borrowers are getting as many options as possible. But it's actually very helpful to have a second opinion on something like this.
And I'm sure you've had this happen. I know I've had this happen where the listing broker has called me either during the offer or right after, saying, "Hey, Steve, I just wanted to let you know, we took your offer because we know you're going to get it done on time and the way you say it's going to get done." So it's a great feeling.
Yeah, love it.
So,
Thank you.
All right, yeah,
Appreciate you
great.
sharing that.
Yeah, this is such a cool place.
Oh,
we'll do it again.
Yeah.